In Makecode Arcade, we have score and life blocks. These are tools that we use to help our games be more interesting and more fun to play. The score block is going to help you keep track of how many points you earn in your game, like when you collect coins or defeat enemies. The life blocks, it's kind of like a heart counter. It's going to show you how many chances you have before the game ends. You can use both of these blocks to make your game more fun and challenging. As you can see, I already have a game set up for us. The only thing missing are lives and a score. So we need to put those in. The very first thing that I like to do is I like to make sure that whenever my game starts, my score resets to 0 and my lives reset to the amount I would like to start with. So I'm going to go into the info category. That's where both of these are found. And I'm going to choose set score to 0. And that goes in my on start, because every time the game starts, I want my score to be 0. And then also, I want to set the amount of lives I have. And we're going to let it be at 3 for now. So whenever I start a game, I should have 0 points and 3 lives. And that is exactly what I'm seeing right here. Whenever the dog overlaps with a donut, I want the score to increase by 1. So I'm going to go back into the info category and I'm going to find change score by 1. And I'm going to put that in my on sprite of kind player overlaps with other sprite of kind food, because that's when my dog overlaps the donut. And then it's going to change the score by 1. I can change this value in here for whatever I would like, but I'm eating 1 donut. I'm going to have the score change by 1. Before we move forward and make some changes to the lives in our game, let's see if our program works as expected when we overlap a donut. Let's make this nice and large, hit the run button, and as you can see, as I hit a donut, my score increases by 1. This is exactly what I want to see happening. Now we're going to deal with our lives. So the pigeon is our enemy in this game. So whenever the pigeon hits the dog, I want us to lose a life. So we're going to go back into the info category and we're going to choose change life. And this one says by -1. That means it will take a life away. And that is going to go into my overlap command for my player and my enemy. Let's take a look and see if our change life by -1 command actually works. So let's make that full screen for us so we can see it. And we are going to hit play. Let's avoid the pigeon for now. Try to get the donuts. All right, let's hit a pigeon. There we go. We lost a life. We've lost 2 lives. We've hit the pigeon the 3rd time, and now our game is over. So both commands work as expected, and that's how you use score and life to make your games more interesting.